everyone, welcome back to Ria's collection. Today I am going to make a very fragrant Goan Style Dal. Let's begin. I have washed and soaked a mix of moong dal and masoor dal, and this has been soaking for about 45 minutes to an hour. So into a pressure cooker, let's add some water, some turmeric powder, and now I'm going to add in the washed dal. And we are going to pressure cook this for about 4 to 5 whistles on a medium-high flame. I've turned the heat on. You can do this step in an instant pot if you have one. Now the dal has been fully cooked and I just transferred it into an open pot so that you can see it easily. I added some red chili powder and salt, and as you can see the dal has been cooked to a very soft mushy consistency. I also added some extra water because dal, as you know, will thicken up as it cooks. So the amount of water you add is up to you. And now I'm going to add in some chopped up tomatoes which have been peeled, and also a handful of chopped up cilantro or coriander leaves. Now mix it all up well and let this mixture come to a boil. As you can see, the dal is slowly simmering around the edges. At this point, give it a final mix. Then you're going to cover it with the lid and let it simmer on a low heat for 10 minutes. It's been 10 minutes now, so let's see what's happening. The dal has been gently simmering. There's barely any bubbles on the top. So it's been simmering for 10 minutes, and now we can adjust the consistency if needed, check for salt, and then turn the heat off. In another skillet, I have heated up some oil and I just added some black mustard seeds. And once it starts to pop, it's time to add in some cumin seeds. And once both of them starts spluttering, I'm going to add in some dry red chilies. Even though this step wasn't mentioned in the original recipe, I always like to add some in my dal. Mix it up well. Now I'm going to add in a little bit of chopped up onions. And a few curry leaves. Give this a good mix, and you want to continue to cook it until the onions turn a nice golden brown. It smells awesome at this point. It's going to get even more fragrant later. As you can see, the onions are slowly starting to turn color, and now it's almost getting there. This is a color that you're finally looking for, a nice pale golden brown. And now I've added some grated ginger and garlic, and this is what makes this dal so fragrant. So keep stirring it for about 30 seconds till you can actually smell the wonderful aroma of ginger and garlic. After 30 seconds, you're going to turn off the heat, and then we are going to pour this deliciousness over our cooked dal. So once I add all of this onto the dal, I like to cover it back with the lid and let all the flavors get infused with the dal for at least a minute or two. So I'm going to get the lid back on and I'll get back to it in about 2 minutes. 2 minutes has been up, so I'm back here and I'm going to stir it up so that everything gets mixed in well with the dal. The seasoning makes this dal so tasty. This fragrant Goan style dal is now ready to be served. I hope you get a chance to make this dal for yourself and for your family, and when you do, come back and let me know how you liked it. Until next time, bye.